Good morning, children. And today we are going to see the summary of lessons for FA2. How are you, students? So you have completed all the portions for FA2. So I wanted to brush up with the summary, okay, so that you get ready for FA2. Okay, so this is the way, is a small poem, that is not the thing, that poem which we have sang, that this is the way I wash my hands. So that is the song. Okay, you can sing this. Later we'll move on to cleanliness is next to godliness. So in class 4 we have seen Chetan was absent in the class. So he was not feeling well, so that's why he didn't come to school. So he was suffering from malaria. So teacher was asking why he didn't attend the class. So the students were telling that he is suffering from malaria. So what causes malaria? Malaria causes caused by mosquitoes. So even dengue, chikungunya also is caused by mosquitoes. How this dengue is caused? This disease, dengue fever, is caused by a virus. Okay, what is called a virus? Virus is a very tiny living substance that can cause disease. Okay, so what is the symptoms of dengue? The symptoms are headache, rashes and body pain. So it is also an infectious disease. Infectious means what? Infectious means a disease that can spread by from person to person. So when a mosquito bites a person who has that infection with the dengue fever, with that dengue virus, the mosquito can become a carrier. Okay, so that virus is carried by the mosquito. When the mosquito bites, okay, it sucks the blood of the infected person and go and sit on the Rani ma'am's hand. If that mosquito go and bite Rani ma'am, then Rani ma'am will get infection. Okay, like that. Your class teacher. Okay. If it bites someone else, that person can be infected with dengue fever. Okay, the virus can't spread directly from person to person. So how do we avoid this spread infectious disease? We can keep our surroundings clean and using the insect repellent, and when we are sleeping, if we cover that place, close the door and use the mosquito net, and also avoid going outside at dusk and dawn. Dusk and dawn means already we have discussed the time just before the sunrise and the time just before night. Okay, it's so this one you can see how the things are going. Okay, fine. So we should make clear that our surroundings is clean. So that's why it is cleanliness is next to godliness. Okay, shall we move on to the other lesson? That is the clock. Clock is a small poem that is like it talks about two hands, the short hand and the long hand. The short hand shows the this timings, hours, and big hand shows can move the 60 minutes in 1 hour. So it tells that it is strength and powerful. Okay, so we have read about half past, quarter past also. See, go through that videos which I have already made it, this quarter past and all. So be attentive in this summary, because if you go through this also you can attend the FA2 test. Okay, so mostly from this lesson we have taken only these rhyming words. So go through this poem, just to fill in the blanks and the rhyming words. This is very important. Finally we are coming to Samir's friend. Okay, Samir's friend, in this we have read a story about the boy who is studying 4th standard, that is Samir, who forgot his lunch box at home, which the mother had prepared and kept. So everybody, when the lunch break bell rang, everybody washed their hands and rushed to the playground to eat, but Samir was sitting alone in a corner. So Maya noticed that and she came and asked what happened to Samir, so why you are not eating. So Samir was telling that I forgot to bring my lunch box. Mama already prepared it in the morning, but I forgot to bring it to school. So now I am feeling hungry. Immediately Maya felt very bad for poor Samir, and she announced her friends loudly, listen friends, Samir did not bring his lunch box today. What shall we do? He is very hungry. So immediately one after the other, everybody shared their foods, shouting that we will share, we will share. So now Samir was having lot of food to eat. So tears popped up in his eyes. So finally what he told, that he wish everyone had friends like him. Okay, so that's how the story ends, a happy ending. And also please go through the back exercise, children. Don't leave single line, all the exercises, it's very important. We have seen, and also we have completed, I have posted a videos, please go through that. So finally heaven on earth, a small poem, that little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Little words of love and little deeds of kindness make the earth an Eden like the heaven above. So this is the poem. So nothing to be explained in this. So only the completion of the poem and the words. Okay. So Roman letter 3 and Roman letter 2 is important. That's all. So other things please go through from page number 22 till 38, page number 38. So everything is important from page number 22 to 38. Thank you children, meet you in the next class.